In this video, we'll show you how to solve simple and compound interest problems. First, let's solve a simple interest problem. Jordan deposited 30,000 pesos in his savings account, which earns 4.5% simple interest. Find the interest and the final amount earned after 5 years. From the statement, we can get our given. These are the principal, denoted by a capital letter P, which is 30,000 pesos. Rate of interest, denoted by a small letter R, which is 4.5%. Our goal here is to convert this percentage to its decimal form, so we will divide 4.5 by 100, which gives us 0.045 as our final rate of interest. Finally, our time, denoted by a small letter t, is 5 years. In this problem, we are required to find the interest and the final amount earned. Solving for the interest first, we will use the formula I is equal to the product of P, R, and T. Substituting the values we listed in our given and multiplying them with each other, we can get the interest, which is 6,750 pesos. Meanwhile, for the final amount, we will use the formula F is equal to P times the sum of 1 and the product of R and T. Again, substituting the values to the formula, the final amount we computed will result to 36,750 pesos. Another way to solve for the final amount is to just add the interest we've already computed to the principal, just like how it is shown in the solution in this slide. It shall arrive at the same answer as the formula in the previous slide, and it sure does. Now, let's move on to the problem on compound interest. Maya invested 75,000 pesos at 3% interest compounded monthly. Find the compound amount after 7 years. Just like the process in the simple interest problem, the first thing we'll do is to get the given. First, the principal is 75,000 pesos. Then, the interest rate, which is denoted by a small letter J in compound interest, is 3%. Again, we'll convert it to its decimal form, so we'll divide it by 100, resulting to 0.03. Then, since it is compounded monthly and there are 12 months in 1 year, the number of times interest is computed per year, which is denoted by a small letter M, is 12. The time, which is denoted by T, is 7 years. There is a small letter I in the formula, which is the quotient of J and M, and we'll compute it for now. 0.03 divided by 12 is equal to 0.0025, and this will be our small letter I. Lastly, a small letter N is also used in the formula, which is the product of time and M. Calculating will get 84. In this problem, we are required to solve only for the final amount after 7 years. Solving, we'll use the formula for the final amount of the compound interest. F is equal to P times the sum of 1 and I raised to N. Substituting the values we attained from observing the problem and through calculating it, we'll have an answer of 92,501.61 pesos as our final amount after 7 years. I hope you learned how to solve problems regarding simple and compound interest. Thank you for listening and have a great day.